Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the 3-day Twice Diet and Workout Challenge. Alright, so Twice doesn't really have a super strict defined diet as of right now, but I was able to piece together a diet based off of things they've said in videos and what they like to eat and what they avoid when they are dieting. So basically, I picked up on 3 main things. Number 1, they try to avoid the most unhealthy carbs, noodles, and bread, and instead stick to rice.
근데 이걸 먹으면 절대 안 돼. 이렇게 보고 있었던 거 아니야? 계속 말까? 진짜 이거 먹으면 근데 살찌잖아.
Number 2, they recommend eating a lot of vegetables, eating a lot of salad, and seafood when on a diet.
저 요즘 샐러드 많이 먹고 있어요. 해산물만 먹는다고 했잖아요.
And number 3, they work out a lot, so they're constantly dancing. Some of the members apparently dance up to 4 hours a day at some point, and they also do a lot of ab workouts in order to maintain their figure.
11일자 복근을 만들기 위해서 하는.
So from all this, I made a Twice diet and workout plan. This is going to be a 16-8 intermittent fasting diet, which means that you can eat for 8 hours a day. For me, that's going to be between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. For breakfast, we're eating eggs and drinking clean fruit juice. For lunch, it's going to be rice, chicken breast, and lots of veggies. And for dinner, we're eating salad with seafood. For our daily workout, we're going to dance for 30 minutes, followed by Momo's ab routine. Alright, let's start this challenge! Hey guys, it is day 0, I guess. It is the day before I'm starting the Twice challenge, and I'm in my kitchen right now because I'm actually doing some meal prep tonight. I'm gonna be kind of busy the next 3 days, so I need to make sure that I actually prepare some of the food so that I don't fall behind and just eat whatever's in front of me when I get hungry. So I think that's actually the hardest part of a diet challenge, which is why meal prep is so important. All of my diet challenges, including this one on my Patreon, on my website, do include the full ingredient list and all of the recipes so that you can meal prep if you do want to. Anyways, let's get started. And there we go. The hardest part is done in terms of meal prepping for the next 3 days. Hello. It is 11 o'clock. Day 1 has begun. We are cooking some eggs for breakfast. Breakfast time. So we got our 1 fried egg and a cup of juice. I did cook 2 eggs, but I'm saving the next one for lunch because I'm not that big of a breakfast person. Here you go. I like my eggs super runny. Alright, lunchtime. I got my meal prepped foods and I got my vegetables blanched for the rest of the ingredients for my bibimbap. So I'm making my bowl now. Basically just gonna put the vegetables around it in a ring. It'll be all pretty and stuff. It's now 2 o'clock. Finally eating. I didn't really mean to eat this late, but life kind of got in the way, but this tastes so good. I chose to make bibimbap because it's basically just what Twice and other K-pop girl groups eat on a diet, which is vegetables, lean meat, and a lot of rice instead of noodles. So we also did it in a Korean way because Twice loves Korean food, so we got the bibimbap, and it's so good. Alright y'all, it is time for my daily workouts. Okay, so if you guys will recall, the Twice workout is going to be 30 minutes of dance. Some of the Twice members dance a lot more than that, but we are going to have to compromise because we have other things going on in our lives right now. and followed by Momo's classic plank hold hip dips. Let's go.
그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy
So my Apple Watch ran out of battery. Unfortunately, I can't tell you how many calories I burned right now, but feeling really tired. I'm gonna do the abs, and then we're gonna cook some dinner. Sounds like a plan.
계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야
Workout complete.
하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데
And we're back at the dining table for dinner. I'm eating a flaky salmon salad today. I love putting avocado in all my salads. If you watch my past diet challenges, you know that's like my favorite thing, along with this lemon olive oil sauce. Dig in. So I'm eating this as close to 7 p.m. as possible. So hopefully I won't get too hungry tomorrow morning. But it's a pretty big salad, so I think it'll tide me over. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna finish the salad and I will see you guys tomorrow for breakfast. 11 a.m. Good morning, it is day 2, 11 o'clock. I am quite hungry, but I'm kind of in a rush this morning. You'll soon see why. So I'm kind of scrambling. Get it? Okay, anyways, I'm gonna eat 2 eggs, finish them off, and then get on my way. Alright guys, day 2 workout time. I know it's a little bit earlier than yesterday, still kind of full from that egg, but I gotta film this video. It's time for the twice comeback. Hopefully you guys have already seen it on my channel, but if not, it is part of the workout plan for this. You'll see it on my Patreon if you sign up. But anyways, I'm gonna use these dance workouts, practicing and choreoing as my dance workout for today. And then I'll also be doing Momo's hip dips. I will not forget. Alright friends, as you can see I am editing and uploading my video now. I figured I might as well make some lunch while I wait, so lunchtime. Okay, today I mixed everything all up, same ingredients, but I'm kicking it up a notch on the Korean food side. This is a gochujang, sesame oil, and soy sauce mix that I just made. Should still be pretty healthy and a little spicy, so maybe a little more true to bibimbap. Definitely has a little bit of that spicy kick to it now. I was thinking of making kimbap for one of these meals, because I know that's also a twice favorite. But I don't think I'm skilled enough to roll those things, so we're sticking to the bibimbap for Korean food. But if you guys want to give it a go, try out some kimbap, let me know if it goes well. Hello, I am back for dinner. It's now about 6:40. I am cooking dinner. We're doing something a little bit different than yesterday. I thought I would switch it up and cook some shrimp avocado salad. Super, super easy. The only thing you need to cook is shrimp. So hopefully I will be eating in less than 5 minutes. The salad literally has all my favorite things: avocados, strawberries, shrimp. highly recommend. Hello friends. Hello friends, it is day 3, 11 a.m. I'm pretty done with the whole intermittent fasting thing. I'm ready to just eat before 11, please. But I got my eggs here, my juice. I'm gonna gobble them up in like 2 seconds and hopefully we'll have a little bit earlier of a lunch today.
A few moments later.
Lunchtime! It is super satisfying clearing out all the containers. So today I am eating yet another vegetable chicken rice bowl. This one looks a little different. It's more of a greens chicken and rice bowl. So you don't have to do the bibimbap every day. You can switch it up a little bit as long as you got those 3 main components. But anyways, I'm not gonna bore you with yet another clip of me eating. So I'm just gonna finish my lunch, wait a little bit, and cut to my workout. Day 3 workout time. We're doing a 30-minute dance workout. I'm actually gonna practice for my live sessions with Lillian. You can also find the link to my live session down below. It's every Tuesday and Sunday. It's just $1 to sign up, so go check it out. But yeah, so this time we're gonna be doing all of these videos, so sneak peek of what's to come. And it's gonna be a good workout. We're gonna burn lots and lots of calories. I am now downstairs. Lillian had to go back to work, so I was kicked out of her room. So I guess I'm doing the ab challenge part of this alone. Last time doing Momo's hip dips. All right. Snack time. I realized I didn't really film myself eating the snacks, but these strawberries are an essential part of my day. Dinner time. This is what I'm missing out on. It's okay. One more night of eating salad. Ordered up my dinner. Got a really fat piece of salmon today. Keep me full for the last day of intermittent fasting. Okay, so it is now the evening of the final day, which means we're so close to being done. I have not eaten anything since the salad, obviously, but I think it does get easier the longer that you do this. So like, I guess your body adapts to the schedule that you're on. So I'm feeling okay right now. So tomorrow I'm going to take my final weight. Fingers crossed. Good morning, results time. Okay, so I'm taking my weight now. 109. So that means I lost about 2 pounds over the last 3 days, which is pretty good. I started off at the lowest weight that I've been in like the last year, so I didn't even really think I would be able to lose anymore, but 2 pounds. I think this diet is definitely more sustainable also than a lot of the other ones I've tried out, so slow and steady wins the race. But yeah, we're done! If you guys want to try out the challenge for yourself, you can check it out on my Patreon right here. It's got the full diet plan, the recipes, the ingredients, along with the workout plan with suggested workout videos. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my journey. I'll see you guys next time.